Soundstripe.
Hello, my name's Charlotte and welcome to my food review. This is my extra special guest, Clark, and we'll be reviewing and criticizing food in real time.
Hello, my name is Clark Cashmere. I am a food critic understudy.
Anyways, enough of that boring stuff. Let's get on to the eats. So what are we having today, Mr. Clark?
Today, we are having a common American delicacy called a sandwich.
Yeah, a sandwich.
Actually, it's pronounced...
Anyways, continuing the segment. Today we'll be eating sandwiches, which usually have meat, cheese, and mayo.
Yes, now we'll be rating this dish as well as the others after it on a scale of not just flavor, but something else I like to call accessibility.
Oh, how interesting, Clark. I'm sure the viewers would just love to hear you explain that.
Ah yes, I suppose they would. Well, public accessibility, in terms someone like you can understand, is if this food item is made exclusively for both humans and puppets alike.
Puppets and humans alike?
Precisely.
Anyways, onto that sandwich.
Yes, the sandwich.
Ooh, how delicious. Alrighty, let's dig in. That was so good.
I unfortunately would have to agree. This sandwich thing is definitely with the hype among the humans.
And now an ad break put together by yours truly. Ever in need of a way to keep yourself prim and perfect when you're eating away at a new recipe? Well, do we have the solution for you?
Today we present an invention we call the glove. Simply take your human hand and slip it on over.
One moment now. You can do it.
Very difficult.
I believe in you.
So much better. And there you have it. Keep breathing here.
A perfect and stylish way to keep your human hand nice and clean as to not ruin the material.
Not liable for any triple deaths, latex poisoning, lead injection, plastic splinters, or puppet mouth.
This service is lousy.
Perfect. You're doing amazing.
That was perfect. Great job.
Now for our next item, we'll be having a nice tall can of ravioli.
Excuse me, did you say a can? You expect me to eat from a cannibal? Who do you think I am? Some kind of peasant?
Now, Clark, that isn't very culturally sensitive of you. You don't want the glove again, do you?
We'll be short.
Amazing! Let's get on with the meal. Now, most humans would need utensils for food like this, but we don't. So, we can just dig right in. Clark, I think you should get the first taste since you just seem so excited to try it.
Oh yes, I suppose I should.
Come on, Clark, you're wasting footage. Isn't that good, Clark? Since you've clearly had your fill, I'll be taking my turn now. Now that that's over, anything you want to say, Clark?
No, Miss Charlotte.
Well then. Now that that's over, this has been Charlotte's food review. And this is all for today. Bye! See you next episode.